Where are you seeing cap rates and what's happening in the market since your last video in April?
The market is definitely slowing. Buyers are being a little bit more selective. The 10-year Treasury has stabilized, I would say. I think yesterday it was 2.75 and it was 2.85 in April. So it's definitely stabilized, and I think it's almost a point and a quarter or a point and a half higher than it was a year ago. So transaction volume is down, and buyers are being more selective.
How does this compare to the same time frame from last year?
The transaction volume's definitely down. The cap rates are lower. I think our average cap rate for the same time frame this year is 6.61. Last year was 7.42. The average lease term remaining on what people are closing on this year is 10.23, whereas last year the cap rates were at 7.42 and the lease term remaining was 7.42. So I definitely say we've probably hit a low trough, and buyers are now starting to be a little bit more selective than they were a year ago. Our transaction volume is down probably 30%, while our offers are up maybe 50%. So that's telling me buyers are still active, but they're being more selective.
What would you conclude from this analysis?
I would definitely say there's some upward pressure on cap rates, and that's going to continue through the end of the year, especially now that we've kind of seen the 10-year stabilize. There's not as many 1031 buyers, so there's definitely going to be some real upward pressure on cap rates.